The University of Gulf is a comprehensive public research university in Gulf, Ontario, Canada. It offers 94 undergraduate programs and 48 graduate programs. I am standing in front of the university center. It is the heart of the university. It is the main support center for the student, so whether it is their finance, their admission, or their recruitment. Actually, so there is a food court inside the university center, and all the events are organized in the university center only. So the place where I am standing right now is the hub of the cultural activities and fundraising activities. When I say cultural activities, it means function Diwali celebration, you can talk about Holi celebration, you can talk about Christmas, all the events, so they are taking place at this place. And so one thing more, it is there inside the university center. You can see that it is the largest food court of University of Gulf inside the university center, and students get freshly prepared food at this place, and all their meal plans are accepted at this place. So this is Albert A. Thornborough building. All the engineering class and engineering programs are run in this complex only. So this is break room of engineering students. So during exam, when they feel exhausted, so they come inside the room. They take a break and they relax in this room. So at the University of Gulf, so just behind me there is a bus stop where students can commute easily. So you can see that so buses are coming, and so there are two buses which are lined up, and students are standing on this side, and it is a very secure environment for the students. So I am inside School of Engineering complex. You can see the Richards and Thornborough buildings first floor map. You can see behind me is the study area for engineering students. So the name is displayed. It is Robert and Linda Adams Atrium. So this is computer. So this is computer access room for the students, where they can do computer practicals, computer projects. So let's go inside. So you can see that it is the entire computer lab where students can perform their practicum, so they can work on their projects. So I am in front of the lecture room. It has a seating capacity of nearly 200 students. You can see that the seats are very comfortable, and students don't feel tired after attending the long hours of classes. So there is a direction board which is behind me. It is showing that for the science complex you have to go straight, and for the library you have to go right, and for the south residences you have to go left. So this is School of Fine Arts and Music, and you behind this school, so there is the UOG bookstore. Students can get books and merchandise at this place. So with me is Ishika. She is a student of University of Gulf. And hello, Ishika.
Hello.
So I would like to know what is the significance of this place where we are standing right now.
So this is the canon that belongs to UOG, and the significance is student groups are allowed to camp here overnight and repaint this. So this is not how you see it always. It changes, and people camp here overnight and they paint over it. So this is how we see it right now, and I've seen it in all the different possible colors. So that's its significance. Yeah.
So now we are in front of the library of University of Gulf. It is a very huge setup. So I would like to ask you, Ishika, if you can tell me about this library. What are the facilities provided here?
So basically, every UOG student camps here in exam season. We have a huge Starbucks inside that lets you take your coffee and study here. So it has 6 different levels. The first floor is a group study, and so is the second and third floor. But there is a quiet study on the 5th and 6th floor if you want to get a private room and study there alone.
So now we are inside the library. You can see that so the chairs and the tables are there, and students are getting very good environment of studying at this place. And actually on this side you can see you have Starbucks coffee, and students can so during study, if they feel tired, so they take coffee, they get relaxed, so they continue study for long hours. So now we are in front of the Krillman Hall. So there is a food court inside. It is a very huge food court, and on the first floor of this hall, so they are providing financial services to the students. So if you want to simply add on anything, Ishika?
Krillman Hall is absolutely the prettiest food court on campus. I come here all the time in my first year, and first year students love this place a lot, and the food here is absolutely amazing.
Thank you. So now I am in front of the Johnston building. It is the residence hall, and in front of the building, so there is a huge park. You can have a look. So all the events they take place at this place, and students come and enjoy at this place. So now we are in front of the McKinnon building. So here actually all arts classes are conducted, and all the professors have their rooms inside. If you want to add on something, Shika?
This is the main building for all the art students. All the seminars and lectures take place inside. As you can see, it's a huge building, and all the faculty members have their offices inside this building.
So I am in front of the Gardens Lang School of Business and Economics. Students who have opted for the business programs, so they come here to attend the classes. All the faculty members, they have their offices in this building. So one thing more, that all the business programs at the University of Gulf are AACSB accredited. So now we are inside the Gordon Lang's School of Business and Economics. On my left hand side is the counseling hall, and on the right hand side we have lecture halls. So if you want if you want to add something, Ishika?
Yeah, sure. My favorite feature about this building is the display of stocks right behind me. So as we all know, business students are interested in stocks, so they display it right here for all the students to see.
Yeah. Please.
So it's right there. They update it daily. As the market goes up and down, it shows everything live over here. So this is my favorite feature about the building.
Hello Ishika, if you can explain about what is this wall about?
So this wall is recognizing all the leaders that have come from the University of Guelph. As you can see, we have all the notable alumni right here, the honorary doctorates right here, and the Lang School scholars over there. So this is basically Lang School's Hall of Fame.
So you can see that on the wall, the whiteboard is displayed, and we have a table, and across it we have 4 chairs. So you can explain what is this all about?
So when the lecture is taking place inside, if the professor gives you a group activity, the students can come out here to plan out their plans and solve the problems that were given to them. And this building has more study rooms to offer to Lang School students.
So now we are in front of the Rozansky Hall. So all the first year students, they attend most of their classes in this hall. So if you want to add something, Ishika?
Sure. So this building has the biggest lecture halls on campus. It seats about 400-500 students, and as Ajit sir said, in your first second year you will find yourself coming here every day for your classes. And right in front of this building is a bullring cafe that allows you to grab refreshments in between classes or maybe after your class just to relax a little bit. The food here is also amazing.
The athletic center of University of Gulf. So inside they have their gym, they have swimming pool, they have basketball courts, and if you can add on something, Ishika.
We also have a swimming pool inside, and we have basketball courts and badminton courts too. We also have room for recreational activities like yoga classes and Zumba classes for all the students.
So now we are inside the athletic center of University of Gulf. So behind me you can see is a rock climbing wall. So you can explain what is this wall about?
So we have a rock climbing wall for all the students to try out different recreational activities. UOG really pushes you to push your limits and learn more activities, new activities. They offer training and you don't have to be a professional. Anyone can come and try this out.
So this is basketball court inside the athletic center. Students are you playing games, and they are doing their practice. You can have a look. It is a very good arrangement. It is an indoor facility which is being given to the students.